What's up, everybody? My name is Ryan, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Now, if you're like me and you're a big fan of Flea from the Red Hot Chili Peppers, and you love his modulus bass and its tone, but don't have the money to buy yourself a modulus bass, I have a solution. What you need to do is get an Ibanez 4-string gray erogdyne bass, with preferably one pickup, but if there's two, then that's fine. The pickup is a humbucker, but leave that stock. Also, I want to note that these basses are priced under $500. Next, once you get your bass, you need to get a pack of Ernie Ball extra slinky 4-string bass strings. It shows the gauge on the bag, but I'll be putting all of the stats that I talk about in this video in the description. And once you put those strings on your Ibanez bass, plug it into your amp and voila! The amp that I'm using is an Acoustic 100-watt bass amp. Any amp is fine, but I recommend this Acoustic amp because it gives the bass that identical sound to famous bass player sounds such as Flea from the Red Hot Chili Peppers and Mark Hoppus of Blink-182. Here's some audio from the amp. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is also audio of the bass. Enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helps you out on your quest to find that modulus sound. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!